take necessary response to US crackdown on Chinese media. In Afghanistan, 12 people were killed and 8 others wounded during clashes and airstrikes in northern Takhar province. Turkey has arrested 14 people with suspected link to the terror group Daesh. 11 people died after landslides hit a coal mine in Indonesia western province. In Iraq, 5 people including 2 Daesh militants have been killed in separate attacks in Diyala province. Iran tested homemade air defense system. Pakistan could remain in the grey list of the Financial Action Task Force. An international treaty banning nuclear weapons is on the verge of coming into force.